Hi everyone, my name is Priya Darshini from the Learning Center at OUM Patalin Jaya. Today, I want to talk about a crucial topic which is eco-friendly smart packaging solution in 21st century. Let's explore how it can address environmental challenges in Malaysia and contribute to a sustainable future. In today's world, we are facing numerous environmental challenges such as excessive plastic waste, pollution, and the depletion of natural resources. This issue has a significant impact on our planet and daily life. To address these problems, we can embrace the concept of eco-friendly smart packaging solutions. By using sustainable materials, reducing waste, and integrating smart technology like QR code or sensor for product tracking, this approach not only minimizes environmental harm but also promotes recycling and reusability. For an example, replacing single use plastic with biodegradable or recyclable packaging can help reduce the harmful effect of waste while also improving consumer engagement and product efficiency. Okay, let's see relevance to Malaysia. Plastic waste in Malaysia has reached alarming levels. A report by the Malaysian Plastic Waste Management Association 2020 estimates that Malaysia generates over 1 million tons of plastic waste annually. Much of this waste is not recycled, with only about 30% of plastic waste being recycled. Plastics are ubiquitous in consumer products, particularly in packaging, and have a detrimental impact on the environment. Plastic pollution is especially concerning in a country like Malaysia, which is surrounded by the ocean, as plastic waste can easily end up in marine environments, harming marine life and polluting ecosystems. Eco-friendly smart packaging presents an opportunity to address this problem by significantly reducing plastic waste and promoting responsible consumption and disposal. For example, replacing single-use plastic packaging with a biodegradable or recyclable materials could help reduce the amount of plastic entering landfills and oceans. Moreover, integrating smart technologies like QR code can educate consumers about recycling practices, increase awareness about environmental issues, and encourage active participation in sustainability efforts. For potential impact, which is we got environmental impact, economic impact, public awareness. First of thing, environmental impact, if widely adopted, eco-friendly, smart packaging could significantly reduce plastic waste in Malaysia. According to the Malaysian government, as Solid Waste and Public Cleansing Management Corporation, plastic waste accounts for a large portion of municipal solid waste. By replacing conventional plastic packaging with eco-friendly alternatives, this volume could be reduced, leading to cleaner streets, reduced landfill usage, and less plastic pollution in ocean and rivers. The second thing is economic impact. Eco-friendly packaging could also benefit Malaysia's economy by creating new business opportunities in the green technology sector. Local business could adopt this solution to align with global sustainability trends and differentiate themselves in a competitive market. Moreover, as the demand for the sustainable products grows, business can gain customer loyalty and attract new eco-conscious consumers. For an example, multinational corporations such as Nestle Malaysia or L'Oreal Malaysia are already taking steps to adopt more sustainable practices in their packaging, positioning themselves as leaders in the sustainability movement. Public awareness and education boost the integration of smart packaging with the features such as QR code and product information. Can also increase public awareness about sustainability by providing consumers with accessible information on how to recycle or dispose of packaging responsibly. Smart packaging can foster more sustainable consumer behavior. Educating the public on the environmental impact of their action is crucial for long term change. Let's see the critical analysis, which is the first one advantage of smart packaging. Advantage got three: the first, environmental benefits; the second, consumer engagement; and the third, support for sustainable business. Environmental benefits, which is eco-friendly packaging, reduce the environmental impact of packaging waste, which is a significant issue in Malaysia. Traditional plastic, which are widely used in packaging, take hundreds of years to decompose, contributing to long-term environmental degradation. In contrast, biodegradable or recyclable packaging materials decompose more quickly, reducing the pressure on waste management system and the environment. Smart packaging through features like QR codes can also guide consumer in properly recycling or disposing of packaging, further reducing waste. The second thing is consumer engagement. Smart packaging offer an innovative way to engage consumer in the recycling process. QR code or sensor on packaging can provide consumer with information on how to recycle or dispose of packaging, direct them to recycling points, and even offer incentive for recycling. This type of engagement could help address the low recycling rates in Malaysia and encourage a more active role for consumers in sustainability. Moreover, the third advantage, which is business opportunity and competitive support for a sustainable business. The adoption of eco-friendly packaging allows business to align with the global trends towards sustainability. As consumers increasingly demand environmentally responsible products, companies that adopt sustainable packaging solutions can enhance their reputation and attract eco-conscious consumers. Companies like T-Life, which has adopted biodegradable cups and use QR code to educate customers on recycling, show how local business can benefit from sustainability initiatives. Let's see the challenges of eco-friendly packaging. Cost of implementation, consumer education and behavior, infrastructure limitation. Cost of implementation, one of the key barriers to the adoption of eco-friendly packaging, is the higher cost of sustainable material. Biodegradable and recyclable packaging materials are often more expensive than traditional plastic, and the shift to the material can require significant upfront investment in new manufacturing process. Small or medium-sized enterprises in Malaysia, which make up the majority of Malaysians, may find it difficult to afford this cost. For example, Nestle Malaysia has faced challenges in transitioning to sustainable packaging, citing the higher cost of eco-friendly material as a barrier. In consumer education and behavior change, despite growing awareness of environmental issues, many Malaysians still rely heavily on single-use plastic, and changing these consumption habits is difficult. According to 2018 report by the Malaysian government, a large proportion of plastic waste comes from food and beverage packaging, which is often used by consumers for convenience. Smart packaging solution alone may not be enough to change consumer behavior without additional education and incentive to recycle. In addition, infrastructure limitation, not all areas of Malaysia have the necessary infrastructure for effective recycling, while urban areas such as Kuala Lumpur have more developed waste management systems. Rural areas, particularly in East Malaysia, often lack access to recycling facilities. This means that even if consumers engage with eco-friendly packaging, there may not be sufficient infrastructure to support widespread recycling. This is a significant challenge for implementing effective eco-friendly packaging solutions across the country. Let's see the ethical consideration for the package, packaging solution, eco-friendly packaging solution, which is a data privacy and sustainable sourcing. Data privacy, the use of smart packaging often involves the collection of consumer data such as purchasing habits or recycling behaviors. While this data can be used to improve packaging design and consumer engagement, it also raises concerns about data privacy. Companies must ensure that consumer data is handled responsibly and in compliance with Malaysia's Personal Data Protection Act, and that consumers are informed about how their data is being used. In addition, sustainability of sourcing ethical concerns also extended to the sourcing of materials for eco-friendly packaging. Companies must ensure that the materials used are sustainably sourced and do not contribute to environmental degradation or exploitation. For instance, palm oil production in Malaysia has been linked. Ensuring that sustainable materials are used in eco-friendly packaging requires transparency and ethical sourcing. Deforestation and habitat destruction. Last but not least, in conclusion, eco-friendly smart packaging solutions present a promising opportunity to address Malaysia's plastic waste crisis. By reducing plastic waste, encouraging recycling, and promoting more sustainable consumer behaviors, this solution can have a significant impact on both the environment and the economy. However, the adoption of eco-friendly packaging faces several challenges, including the higher cost of material, limited recycling infrastructure, and need for consumer education and behavior change. Despite these challenges, these benefits of eco-friendly packaging, such as its environmental impact, consumer engagement and business opportunity outweigh the obstacle. The key to successful implementation lies in addressing these challenges through collaboration between business, consumer, and government agencies. If Malaysia can overcome these barriers, eco-friendly smart packaging solutions can play a pivotal role in building more sustainable future.
Every year, we're producing
Guys, let's see
380
a
million
simple
tons of
video.
plastic. Nearly 40% of it comes from packaging, and 90% of this plastic waste is not getting recycled. We're addicted to single-use plastics, and it's threatening our environment. It's time to transform the global packaging industry and rid the world of single-use plastic packaging. At Evanes, we believe packaging materials should start from the earth and get returned to the earth. As a sustainable technology innovator, we deliver compostable, plant-based packaging solutions that are affordable and truly sustainable. Our revolutionary patented Evanes molded starch technology uses upcycled plant byproducts, is 100% compostable, and decomposes in 90 days or less. We deliver eco-friendly food packaging products that are made proudly in the USA. Ready to join the plant-based revolution? Evanes, revolutionizing sustainability.
Friends, I know
Every
you
year,
can watch
we're
this
producing
video.
380
You can
million
get
tons
smart,
of plastic.
sustainable, and
Nearly
planet-friendly
40% of it
packaging
comes from
for a
packaging,
greener future.
and 90%
Save
of this
the
plastic
environment.
waste
Thank
is
you.
not getting recycled. We're addicted to single-use plastics,